basically args, right?
Hello, sir.
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah, is there any cross tag is there?
Say that again.
Is there any cross tag was there? Or you said something?
Oh no no. Oh, I just said args. Basically, I was just wondering if you're gonna print the entire array or indexes.
No, I'm printing to the index. I have passed there are two parameters, right? India space Chennai.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so it is there is a two parameters are there. Now I am getting array index of home exception. I think the parameter not saved. Now passed two parameters. And then I am able to reduce
Then
to
yeah.
uh, this is first index and this is second index.
Yep.
This is about Java arrays, and we can see some our implementation arrays, how we can declare it.
So my array dot length maybe.
Yeah, so said you can give a random person.
So quick question here,
Yeah,
Mohammed. You using this sysout.println, right? We don't need any import for that,
no, no, you don't need any import for
or
that.
like my array, right? Oh, okay, okay.
This is one way of declaring and initializing array. Another way is while declaring itself, we can initialize the array.
Mm-hmm.
That one we can look at for string. You are aware of the for each loop?
Say that again.
Are you aware of for each loop?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So basically, you are basically saying for int I and colon, and then you can give the list, right?
Yeah, yes, correct.
Or an
Is
array.
there in Python as well, or you are ready for Java? Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, it was there in Python, or you are ready for Java? The for loop.
For each is in Python also, right? In both. I mean, Java syntax I might not know, but I know, right? For each basically iterate over every single um, element of a sequence, right?
Yeah, yes.
So this statement is basically binding and assigning both, right, in the first.
Yeah, it's correct. And this is a syntax for each as well.
Yeah.
Spending on the Python. Okay, so now we'll go to collections. In collection, right, at Java, there are main three things are there. One is list, another is set, another one is map.
Mohammed, you just was breaking up the entire last statement. The only thing I was able to hear was the collection is.
Okay, okay. Now also able to hear, right? In
Yeah, mostly it
Java,
was clear. I don't know why the last.
yeah, in Java, the collection is right. There are three important collections are there. That is nothing but list, set, and a map.
Okay.
List is like you can store the set of integer or set of string or set of even our user defined data type. It's nothing but an object. Okay. That
So it's
is
a same in list. You can only store only same type of like a primitive type data type, or you
yeah,
can
yes.
store any data type.
Yeah, yes, correct. We can store if we created the list for integer means we can store only integer in that one.
Only integer. Okay, so only integer data type.
Yeah,
So it's
yes.
just like array then.
Yeah, similar to array. But what the advantage is here we have some predefined functions. If I created
Okay.
a list means in that using the list itself, there will be a syntax for reverse or to make it as an order. There are so many methods are there. We will look into that one. And similar
Okay.
to that one, set is there. Set is also like a list only, but the difference is like a set will not store duplicate. Set will not store duplicate
Right.
values. It will store only the unique values.
Same as dictionary, right?
Yes, exactly. Now
Especially
map. Map
dictionary
is the
keys.
yeah. Now the map is the something called it's a good feature of Java. We can say like that because it can store in the key value part.
It's like a hash in Python.
So here key should be like the key should be unique. Okay, key should be
Unique, yeah.
yeah,
It,
value can be it might
so
be true. Yeah,
in Python, key can be set also. Any immutable data type.
exactly. Here as well, we can have a mystery set also setting, and the value we can have
So
anything. The same with
it's
Python.
same in Java.
The same in Java. We can have mystery set as well as a key.
You mean any immutable data type I can add as a key in Java also?
Yeah, yes, correct.
I mean, it could be list also, right? I mean, no, list
Yeah.
is mutable, but I mean, okay.
And another thing is like we can have only one key. For example, I can store for our key is of string type, okay, and our value is of integer type means
Mm-hmm.
we can have only one null value here. Null comma zero we can have, and we can't insert another null value. If you insert means it will override. And finally, it will return as
Because
one.
it's not unique, right?
Yeah, that's the thing. Now we will see programming base for each other thing.
So,
Before going to that,
quick question.
yeah, yes.
So in Java, especially Java developers keep talking about all this hash map, hash tree, dictionary, and so many words, right? They all become part of these basic three collections.
Yeah, that one this that are the implementation of these things are interface. Okay, whatever you said is
Okay, okay.
implementation. For list there are array list, linked list, like that there are
Linked list.
both implementations are there. For set there are
Got it.
hash set, reset, and the linked hash set. These are there. For map it has hash map, tree map, and one more map is there, which is concurrent hash map. This came in 1.5 only. Concurrent hash map. And also linked hash map as well there. Now hash set is there, right? Tree set is there. Hash set will not maintain the order. Okay. If you are having a 10 values in the hash set means if you have created a set as an empty string, set as a string. Okay. Now we have inserted a 10 values in that hash set. It means that value which are inserted, right? It is not going to maintain any order. It is not going to maintain any order. Either our insertion order or a sorting order. It will not maintain any order. Okay, hash set. But
Okay.
this set will maintain alphabetical order. Okay.
It's a sorted set basically.
Yeah, order set. And a linked hash set is kind of it will maintain our insertion order. In English, there might be a question like how you will make your set as the set to maintain your insertion order. So in that case, we can go for linked hash.
Got it.
In a hash map, right, similar to hash set, it will not maintain any order. Okay, it will take a it will jumble that one, jumble the map values in the map. Similar to tree map, it is a sorted map. It will be sorted based on the key. A concurrent hash map is similar to hash map. Only one thing is like concurrent hash map is thread safe. It is synchronized one. This is the main thing.
Hmm.
Concurrent hash map is synchronized one and thread safe.
That's a new thing for me.
And a linked hash map is there, which will maintain the insertion order in the hash
This
map.
is
And one more thing is like I mentioned the another question like how we I said clearly like the concurrent hash map is synchronized on a thread safe. Thread safe means why they are getting collections with thread safe means for example while you are doing iteration right while you are doing iteration we might change our object inside this one. Okay, we might change the collection value itself inside this one. During this time we will get concurrent modification exception. This is the thing which was saying why most of the people are speaking. This is the thing which are speaking in English more in our this concurrent modification error exception. Okay. While we do modification of the list or set map by iterating it, we will get concurrent modification exception. So if we are using concurrent hash map means we will avoid this one. And one more thing is like hash table is there. The hash table is there. Okay, what it will do is it's also thread safe only. It's also a thread safe. The thing is, all the method inside. Please understand the difference between hash table and the concurrent hash map. Just get some idea in these things. Okay, now we said like to make it a thread safe, we have a hash table and a concurrent hash map. But it will affect the performance by default, right? Because hash table, what it will do, it has all the method inside the either put or get, right? To put inside the collection, we have a put method. To get the value from the collection, we have a get method. All the method in the hash table is synchronized one. Okay. So it will take time to for execution. It will take time for execution. Performance will be low. If we don't want any thread service, we can go for hash map, remap, equal, additional, anything. But if you want the thread set means we have to go for hash table and concurrent hash map. Okay.
So,
In hash table,
uh, Mahmood,
yes,
still for the first statement, I still try to make a distinction between concurrent hash map and hash table. So both are thread safe, right?
yeah, yes, correct.
So their mutator and assessor or any method you said in hash table will be synchronized.
Yes, correct.
It's is it true for current concurrent hash map also?
No, that's what I was about to say that one. Concurrent hash map, in this one, all the methods are not synchronized. So they are creating some concept of segmentation server. Okay.
Hmm.
Concurrent hash map only locked a certain portion of map, while hash table locks full map while doing iteration. You understand this point? Concurrent hash map will lock only the portion of the map, but hash table will
Right.
lock entire map. So performance
Got
with
it.
concurrent hash map is good.
Yeah.
And one more thing is like,
And
yeah, yes, no?
hello,
Yeah, yes.
segment open.
Performance wise, concurrent hash map is good than hash table. No, there will be a question in it like how can I make my list, my set, and my hash map and tree map as a synchronized one? Okay, there is a class called collection. In that there is a method like synchronize map or synchronize list like that. So many methods are there. Inside that we can pass the object of the hash map.
Hmm.
Make this means our collection will become as a synchronized one. Synchronized one means nothing. It is a thread safe now.
Got it. And that will be the entire map, right?
Yeah, is that applicable for entire map?
But there is no. Oh, okay, it won't be possible. No? I was thinking of if we can make only the segment of the hash map
No.
synchronized. We can't.
We can't. For that one, we can
Mm.
go with concurrent hash map. Okay, now we will see some offset works. The string I am giving you, right? This is nothing but a generic concept, which means that we are by getting itself, we are doing of a type, particular type, we are declaring, I mean, grading itself. So the string set is going to be one type of string.
Okay.
Shall we create an object instead of set? We'll do that for now.
Mm.
Because this is not a static method. So I'm not able to access any static variables or method inside the non-static variables or method inside static method. Got that one right?
Yep.
You know iterator.
I just heard of it actually. If you
Okay,
could
first,
walk me through.
before coming for each, right, there was a concept of iterator. That one was used to mostly before for each, but nowadays we are using only for each. This there is a class to a interface which is useful to do iteration.
Okay. So this is an object that will iterate
Convert,
through set.
yeah, that will convert our set to iterator interface. And that one will, there is a method called as next. It will check for a next one. Now we have the loop using iterator. And here you can see that the order
Okay.
is not maintained and it is created in one order. If you run for second time, it will give that one. You have to run some. Same thing you will do for reset.
So when you basically left this empty, there was an override, right, of actual hash set or preset class.
Yes.
So tree set. So set is basically the parent class. Then reset
Set is an interface.
and hash set and oh, interface. Okay, set is interface.
Here you can see some order.
So tree set always maintains order, you said, right?
Yes.
Or the insertion order.
Not insertion order.
That's
Sorted order. Sorted order.
that's linked. Okay, sorted.
We have a linked set for that one. If you want to, we can implement that one also. Here we will have for each.
Yep.
So linked action is the order which we have inserted. If we try to insert duplicate means it's not available.
So which one removed the spring? Okay, all of them actually removed spring oh, and showed only once.
Yeah, only one mistake.
Okay. So I just want to see the output of this one actually. Right. So the null is because
Actually,
tree set
hash
cannot
set,
sort.
yeah, in hash set it's able to insert null. Okay? But in
Yep.
see in book itself we have got in tree map, by putting in map itself we are getting error. So in tree map it's not allowing null.
Hmm.
Tree
So why
map
is it saying tree map instead of tree set?
internally tree set or add internally calls the map itself. Able to set it.
Oh.
So it's creating as a map backend. There is a concept going on. And we are looking at one that one other set only. It's creating as a map and it's trying to put that one. Back in reset class, they have created a map
Mm.
for the hash.
If you take tree set down, maybe linked hash set will still print, right?
Check that one. So hash map also creating new hash map. So back in the for set function, we are using map, but for our assumption, it's working as for our understanding, it's working as a set one equal. Back end, it does some process, it does a map algorithm.
Yeah. Okay. So linked hash worked and inserted in the order. Mm. So internally, it's creating a hash map, the
Yeah,
constructor
that's
of hash set.
support set. We can create a map as well.
Hey, Mohammed, can we stop here today?
Okay, okay, tomorrow. Okay, sir, it's free from tomorrow.
Yeah, I just